Hey everyone! Today we have a really fast, simple, cute,
and delicious
gift that your dad is and that your dad's gonna love for Father's Day. So Elm's gonna show you how she makes her cookies, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to present them to your dad.
And this is a really easy recipe, and it's on the back of the Toll House cookie bag. And we're going to start with the dry ingredients, and it's 2 1/4 cups of flour.
Now, is that a 1 cup measuring cup?
It is.
Okay.
It is, because you can see it better. I have a 2 cup that's plastic. You can't even see anything through it.
Oh. Hey, it works.
Yes. Salt is a teaspoon, and then the baking soda I put in before that was a teaspoon as well. And I put that aside, and I went ahead and melted the butter as my stove was preheating. I just put the bowl up on the stove, and it helps to melt it.
I like that bowl. It's really pretty.
Thank you.
See, now I've never done that before with the butter. I've never mixed it together. I guess you're supposed to, but you have a lot more patience than I do.
Yeah, it helps with stirring to have it softened.
There you go.
The next step is putting the sugars in, and put the white sugar, and it is 3/4 cup, and then also the packed brown sugar, which is also 3/4 cup. You add that to the mixed up butter.
And if you guys are liking this video, give it a thumbs up.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, it's our first go around with baking something, so it's fun. I love making cookies. And then 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, and just mix.
And this I learned too. This was really cool.
Oh, with the eggs.
About putting the egg in the bowl first. Yeah.
It's my son had taught me how to do that years and years ago, and I've done it ever since. And it's helpful because you've already got your mixture, and if hopefully there's nothing wrong with the egg that you crack, but you know ahead of time. You don't have to put it in and find out after the fact that, oh gosh, that wasn't a very good egg.
You know what? I'm going to do that from now on. That's a really good tip.
Oh, cool. Well, thanks, Ray.
Yeah.
And
you're welcome, Al.
yeah. Well, that's awesome. So, yeah, and the stirring, it's so funny. I wish I could go that fast.
You're right.
Oh my gosh. But what I did find is that putting flour in little bits at a time is easier to stir, and that's always it's always helpful for me.
That's where my impatience come in again, because I'm like, just let's throw it all in.
Oh my gosh. And I find that it's like, churning butter trying to get this thing stirred.
Right.
It's like, oh wow. And so I do the same thing with the chocolate chips. And normally, and I was being nice. Normally I use my fingers. I'm like, what? But I was being nice, trying to show you in a more civilized way. And I want to get a scoop, a cookie scoop like you have, Ree. So.
Okay, I know what I'm getting you for your birthday.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. And what I found too is after I cook the cookies for 10 minutes and then take them out and then leave them in the pan for 5 minutes, but I loosen them up before I take them off the pan so that they don't stick.
Now they look really good.
Yeah. Thank you. And it works really well.
There you go. And make sure you guys subscribe. It's free.
Yes.
So you guys can enjoy our videos.
Oh, definitely. There's all the cookies.
Oh, my favorite part's coming up. I love this part.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh gosh, I couldn't have planned that one.
You're right.
Oh my gosh, so fun.
So what I did here was I looked up a label I printed it out. We'll put that link down below, so if you guys like the label and want to do the same one, more power, go for it. If you have a mason jar hanging around, you just get Mod Podge, glue it on the back, and put it on the mason jar. It just really, I think, the cookies are great, but this just gives a little bit more added touch on how you present it to your dad. He's not really going to care anyways, because dads love cookies.
Yeah.
But us being females, we like to spruce things up a little bit.
Yes. Oh, it's decorative. It's so cute.
It is really cute. All you do is just print out the label. I use just my mouse for the writing. I edited the label that I had downloaded, and it looks like kids writing. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything more, but it was really hard to write with a mouse. It's almost like when you have to sign for something and use your finger. Those pads.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It came out really cute though. Really like
Yeah.
it. I love that ribbon.
And then any ribbon that you have around. I had this left over from our Christmas shadow boxes, and I thought it went really well with the label and everything. And like I said, Dad's really not going to care.
No.
At least I know our dad never really cared. He was just happy that you made something for him. And,
Right.
Yeah.
No, definitely Dad would enjoy what was in this jar much more than the jar itself.
Exactly.
Oh, it is so fun.
Yeah, you just glue the ribbon around the top, and I mean, and if you have them in the mason jar, they should last for quite a while if you doesn't want to eat them all at once. But being in my house, they would be gone. And, well, all those cookies that are on that plate were like gone that day.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure. No, they look good.
Yeah.
Well, what's fun is that he can use the jar for something else, and maybe, I don't know, something in the garage. Don't want to put, I guess.
Oh, like nails or something,
Yeah,
right?
nails or screws
Yeah.
or something like that. That'd be fun. And then with the
Yeah, it would
little
be.
label on there is just a little reminder.
Right. And you can even get a marker and put 2020 on the bottom of the jar. Not that I know I'm not really fond of remembering the year 2020 right now, but that's okay. That's another story. That's another video.
I know. I was just thinking when you mentioned the year, I thought, oh, I don't know. Do we really want to have this down as a memory? So,
You're right.
But this is a fun one. This is a nice positive one. So,
Right.
yeah. Oh, this is so cute.
Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And Ellen made the cookies look really simple to make, and I think they came out awesome. And
thank you.
You guys could just put them in a Ziploc bag and give them to your dad with a little bow too. It's just the fact that you made something for him. I think is what it's all about.
Yes, it is. It's the thought that counts, letting him know how much you love him.
Right. So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks so much. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.